Welcome to your favorite cooking show, What's Cooking? My name is Britney Juarez, and today we're going to be showing you how to cook one of my favorite foods. Now let's get started. The meat that we're going to be cooking today are chicken wings. The first step when dealing with any type of meat is to clean it first. So as you can see here, I'm taking out one piece at a time and making sure that the whole chicken is rinsed, making sure that all the germs and bacteria go away. It is recommended that you use warm to hot water to make sure that it is thoroughly cleaned. And now as you can see here, we have our finished product. So the next step with each of the chicken is to make sure we get rid of all the fat. As you can see here, we have some flabs of fat here and there. And now I'm just going to cut it off and make sure that all that fat is taken care of. Make sure to repeat with each of the chicken pieces as well. And now we're going to my favorite part, which is seasoning the chicken pieces. As you can see here, we have all the seasonings that we're going to use. The first ingredient we are going to use is the olive oil. The olive oil will help make the other dry seasonings stick better to the chicken. So all you're going to do is just pour it around in the pot. And as you can see here, I'm just using the tongs to make sure that the olive oil is well spread. The next ingredient is salt. It is very important to add salt to any food that you are dealing with to make sure that the flavor stays. Next is the minced onion. Make sure to put in a decent amount into the pot and then use the tongs again to mix it in. Up next we have the Old Bay seasoning. Also make sure to put in a decent amount. This will give it color and more flavor. And for all the spicy lovers, the Weber garlic jalapeno is a good mix to add in there, just to give it a kick. Now this seasoning that I'm using right here is called Sazon Adobo. It is an Hispanic type seasoning that can be found in any Hispanic aisle in any grocery store that you go to. What this does is that it also gives it just a bit more color to the chicken. Just one pack goes a long way. So now we're going back in with the tongs and making sure that all of the seasoning is well mixed in. And here is the final product. This is what your chicken should look like. Now what you're going to need is onion and lime. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the onion and we're going to cut the lime in half. What the lime will do is that it will give it a more citrusy flavor. Meanwhile, we will leave the onion for later. So now you can squeeze the lime into the chicken and just mix it with the tongs. Now make sure that your stove is onto high or medium, and also make sure to have a pan ready. What you're going to do is you're going to grab your olive oil and you're going to pour it into the pan. A good amount is necessary. With the onion that I cut earlier, I'm just simply going to add it into the pan. Once you put both of the ingredients in, this is what it should look like. And now it's time to add the chicken pieces into the pan. One by one, just add them in, making sure that every single piece fits. Once you're done, simply put a top over it to make sure it starts cooking properly. After about 15 minutes, your chicken should look something like this. Make sure to check and flip your chicken about every 15 minutes or so. Now we're going to add tomatoes, jalapenos, and bell peppers onto the chicken. After washing them, we're going to start cutting all of the ingredients. Make sure that the tomatoes and the jalapenos are diced, whereas the bell peppers can be cut any way you want them to. And now we have all of our ingredients diced up and ready to be added onto the chicken. As you can see here, I'm putting all of the ingredients in at one time so that everything cooks in and settles in. You can either use a big spoon or tongs to make sure that everything is well mixed in. After 25 to 30 minutes, this is the end result of the chicken, with all the ingredients in there.
Thank you for tuning in to What's Cooking. My name is Brittany. Until next time.